Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anne and I'm with my little girl here today, and I'm going to show you one of the styles that we do for ballet when we are quite short for time. It's very quick and very simple. I use a spin pin, which is what I use quite often in my styles for when I'm doing ballet or buns, because they tie up the hair really easily. So I'm just going to show you this style. So it's just a French plait, really speedily done, and then tied off into a ponytail, and I tie this end into a knot, and then I use a spin pin. So it's really good for one of those mornings when you don't have much time. For example, I've got my little boy playing football, got my big girl playing football, you've got dancing, don't have much time, so haven't got anything fancy, but we've gone for something that's practical and it's neat and it's tidy and it lasts and it's really good. So, we've gone for something really easy. But before we show you the tutorial, what we'd like you to do is, if you can, we'd love you to hit that subscribe button and then click on that notification bell, and then when we do any more tutorials, you will be notified straight away. So it'd be really great if you would hit that bell, click on subscribe, and we'd love to have some more subscribers. Ding-a-ling-a-ling! A section of hair from the front of her head, like this. Going to just comb it through and then section it into 3 pieces like this. I'm going to hold my hair in my hands like this and then walk over to there and then hold this one in this hand. So I'm going to take this piece of hair over the middle, I'm going to take it back into this hand, hold on to this piece, hold on to this piece, so you can see how my fingers are gripping the hair, and now this hand is free. So I'm going to scoop up some hair from this side, and I'm going to combine it with this piece here. So I now have the very first piece I had with the next piece. And I'm going to take that over this middle piece. I'm going to pass the middle piece under, hold it with my fingers, my bottom 2 fingers, middle 2 fingers going to hold the middle strand, pointy finger and thumb are going to hold this strand. Then I'm going to scoop up some hair from this side, add it to this side, like this. Now those 2 pieces of hair, so I've got my new hair with the original piece of hair, I'm going to take them, going to get the middle piece from underneath, swap them over, hold them in these 2 fingers, get these fingers to hold the next one, and then my pointy finger to hold the last piece. My hand is free again. So I keep walking my hand over the hair. So just take that piece there, take both those pieces over, holding with my ring, the hand with the ring, holding it there, holding the middle piece, holding the furthest piece from my hand. I'm going to get some more hair, scoop it up, combine it with that piece of hair that's there, take these over the middle piece, hold it, hold the middle, hold the one furthest from my hand with my fingers, my pointy fingers, sorry. And I'm going to repeat that process all the way down the back of her head. Take it, get my fingers to hold that middle piece, pointy fingers to hold the piece furthest from my hand. So I'm going to add hair to that piece. Going to take this piece, hold it, hold it, hold it. Then I'm going to come and I'm going to take this side, combine it. I'm going to take it over. So I'm crossing it, I'm going to hold this side, hold the middle, hold the one that's furthest away. come up, going to combine that piece of hair. I'm going to take it over, hold it, hold it. When you get to the ear, you're going to take smaller pieces around this ear. So you're going to take a few from the ear so we don't have a baggy neck. Now for this style, I'm not going to braid all the way to the bottom because I don't want the bun sitting too low on her neck, because when she's doing her dancing, I want her to be able to still have movement in her neck. So I'm just going to tie it off slightly higher than the bottom of her neck. I'm just going to clip off the end. Then using a comb, I'm going to combine these bits of hair. Just want to make like so. So can you see how it's just sitting slightly higher than her neck? So about 3 fingers there. Then when I put the bun in, her neck can still move quite easily. I like to put this ponytail in because I think it secures it when it's in the bun at the end. I could have plaited right to the end, but I feel like it just lasts longer if I tie it off just before this ponytail section. So I'm just crossing over, doing a regular 3-strand braid. You want to make this plait as long as possible for the type of bun that we're going to do. I have plaited down as far as I possibly can do. I'm going to take a clear elastic. I'm just going to tie the end off. So I'm going to go around like this. I'm going to put this tail that's here through like that. So I'm tying it in a knot. I'm going to keep turning this around and pulling on this plait that's coming out. And I'm going to pop that part just inside like that. Then taking a spin pin, I'm going to spin through the plait, through this plait that's come out of the knot. So I'm going to just tuck that under again. And I'm going to spin the pin through the plait, just securing this knot together. So I've not gone to her head, I've just literally screwed that into the knot. And then there it is, nice and secure, just with one spin pin. So this is quite an easy style that we do. For a Saturday morning, we haven't really got much time to do anything else. It ties it up. This knot style bun is really, really handy because you're just knotting itself and then you're just tying it to itself. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you like it. If you give it a go, let us know. Tag us in any of your social media. We'd love to see your recreations. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and see the next films coming very soon. Take care then. Bye.
Bye.